Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Lokesh A Veerappa. I'm a Consultant Orthopedic Surgeon. I've been practicing orthopedics for about 12 years now. I practice mainly at Khushi Orthopaedic Centre in Chandigarh layout, and also I'm a consultant in Fortis Hospital. After finishing my MBBS from Bangalore Medical College, I went on to Chandigarh to the premier institute of the Postgraduate Institute, PGI, to do my masters. I finished my masters in 2005 and continued to do 1.5 years of senior residency there, and went abroad after that to do a few fellowships. I did my shoulder and elbow fellowship at the Mount Sinai Institute of Medical Sciences, New York, USA, and I also did another shoulder and elbow fellowship at Bad Neustadt, Germany, at the Bavarian state. Then I did a joint replacement and an Arthroplasty fellowship at Lindenlohe, Germany. I also have done an advanced trauma fellowship at the Queen Elizabeth Hospital, Hong Kong. After my fellowships, I returned to Bangalore, and I have been practicing in Bangalore ever since. I initially was working for about 8 years as a consultant orthopedic surgeon at Fortis Hospital, Bangalore. Now I am currently working here at Khushi Orthopaedic Centre and at Fortis Hospitals, Bangalore. We have a well-equipped orthopedic centre here in Chandigarh layout, located just opposite the bus stand here, and we have the facilities of physiotherapy. We have a lab collection facility and also have digital X-ray here. I am proud to say that we are able to cater to all the aspects of orthopedics at one place. My areas of interest in orthopedic surgery as a subspecialty would be joint replacement, shoulder surgery, keyhole surgery or arthroscopy, and pelvic-acetabular trauma. I have been fortunate enough to work with the stalwarts of shoulder surgery all around the world, and I am proud to say that we are one of the pioneers of shoulder surgery here in India and also in Bangalore. We have been doing a lot of shoulder surgery work, may it be joint replacements or keyhole surgeries or arthroscopies of the shoulder and trauma. We are also a center of excellence for joint replacement of the knee and the hip mainly, and we have done several knee replacement surgeries with all the advances of computer navigation, unicondylar knee replacements, you name it, we have done it. Then we are also one of the pioneering centers for pelvic-acetabular trauma. I would be proud to say that we have done over 250 to 300 pelvic-acetabular surgeries, and we have the experience of managing them, which is, I would say, to date, the highest number of pelvic-acetabular surgeries by a single surgeon in South India. Regarding keyhole surgery or arthroscopy, for the past 11 years, I have been doing a lot of arthroscopic surgeries or keyhole surgeries, mainly of the knee and the shoulder, and several ligament reconstructions of the knee, and we are well versed with that. We welcome you to treat your ailment at our institute here at Khushi Orthopaedic Centre. I am also available at Fortis Hospitals, Bangalore.